Hi everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the basic features of Cortex M3 processor, which is one of the advanced ARM processors. So what is Cortex? What is the importance? So Cortex M3 processor has very good performance efficiency. That means it can work very efficiently without increasing the frequency or power requirements. It is mainly suited for low power requirements in handheld devices, portable devices, because of its low power consumption and ease of use. So because of which users can easily migrate from 8 or 16 bits to 32 bits. It's also available in low cost. So features of Cortex M3 processor, it's a 32-bit processor. We know that ALU will be of 32 bits, data bus is of 32 bits, register bank will be of 32 bits, and it's having the memory interfaces also of 32 bits. It's having a Harvard architecture. We know about the Harvard architecture, that is having separate buses for program memory as well as data memory. And it is following the Thumb2 instruction set. Thumb2 instruction set is a blend of 16-bit thumb and 32-bit ARM instruction set. So it will have the advantages of both. And we know ARM is a 32-bit fixed size instruction set and thumb is 16-bit fixed size instruction set. So the advantages, both the advantages will be present, like improving the code density, and also the performance. Like in Thumb2 instruction set gives 26% improvement in code density than 32-bit ARM and 25% improvement in performance when compared to Thumb instruction set. And it also has single cycle multiplication instructions, and it is having a hardware division instructions which execute within 2 to 7 clock cycles. So it is having 3-stage pipelining with branch speculation. We know the pipelining concepts, that is fetching, decoding, executing, these takes place simultaneously, and we can predict the branch, whether the next instruction is in a sequence or in a branch, that can be predicted efficiently. So which is called as a branch speculation, and it is having low gate count, due to which it is suitable for low power applications. It is having a memory protection unit for supporting the cache. It is having a unified cache memory, which means in the same memory we need to fetch the buses for program as well as data. It is having a complete thumb compatibility, and it is having different operation mode selections, and it is having configurable nested interrupt controller with which it can support the interrupts. So nested vector interrupt controller has different features, like it can configure up to 140 up to 1 to 240 external interrupts. It can configure number of bits of priority from 3 to 8. It can support level and pulse interrupt. It supports dynamic reprioritization of interrupts. It supports priority grouping. It supports tail chaining of interrupts. And it is having a very high code density, and it's a mix of 16 and 32-bit instructions. And also the special feature is it is having a debug unit, which is used for very efficient debugging by the breakpoint or the debug using the embedded trace controller. Hope you all understood. Thank you one and all.